Alright, shalom. Yeah, you know, we're the Hebrew Israelites from the GMS Toronto Prophets Camp. Alright. Well, you can see that this is Stewart Memorial Church, right? And we're going to read this plaque right here. Historical memorial, if you can zoom in. It says, the inevitable right to practice ancient principles and tenets of Freemasonry was granted to the Negroes in the Dominion of Canada on December 27th, 1852, a warrant was issued by the MG Grand Lodge on the state, MW Grand Lodge of the state of New Jersey, Prince Hall affiliation to Mount Olive Lodge number 1 F and AM in the city of Hamilton in the province of Ontario, commemorated this 21st day of October 1961 by the MG Grand Lodge MW Grand Lodge F and AM province of Canada and jurisdiction. Alright, and then it has MW Garfield W. Parker, 32-degree Mason, Grand Master, and R.W. William W. Overton, 32, Grand Secretary.
And they have the symbol right there, right?
Yeah.
Just to prove. So that's totally contrary, man. Because how are you Mason in the scriptures?
Yeah, because it tells you to swear an oath, and then what? You're not supposed to swear an oath, right?
Albert Pike, he said that.
Put it on the phone.
That what do you call it? Lucifer. That's who you worship basically in Masonry. Yeah. In that book,
Morals and Dogmas.
Morals and Dogmas.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to talk to someone inside. All right, and then we'll get back to you guys later. Okay. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this church has been here, all right, for over 100 years. All right. It started at 1906. Okay. And this brother, he's gonna read some things about the church and the founding fathers of the church. All right.
So this is Ontario Heritage Trust, Stewart Memorial Church. It says Stewart Memorial Church.
The description here.
Is a wheelchair accessible heritage site. The exterior architecture features a neo-Gothic facade overlying the original clapboard structure. The interior is designated historical for its original pressed tin ceiling and dark wooden curved pews. A heritage corner set up where photographs, pastors, roster, and religious artifacts may be viewed.
Yeah, come a little closer there also. Alright, keep going.
It says, on the exterior west-facing wall, there is a bronze plaque designing the site of the first Canadian Masonic Lodge of Prince Hall Masons. It also illuminates the connection between the Prince Hall Masonic Order and the Underground Railroad.
Is that it?
The Sunday.
Yeah, that one too. Yeah.
The Sunday service is held at 11 a.m. during the winter months and at 10:30 in the summer. The service features the regular singing of the plantation spirituals as they were passed down from the original members of the congregation who came to Hamilton along the Underground Railroad. The first pastor of the church, then known as St. Paul's African Methodist Episcopal Church, was the Reverend Josiah Henson.
Yeah, so Josiah Henson, alright? He's a Canadian black hero, people say, right? And on his gravestone, he has a Freemason symbol, just like this church. Alright? And then, could you show the article to the camera? Alright? So this is where you guys can get it. Alright? Type in the title and you'll get it. Alright? So you can read it for yourselves. Alright? And we're going to try to talk to these people inside and see what's up. Alright.